Today we're going to learn how to create a magnifying glass effect, a super fun way to zoom in on a specific part of your video while keeping everything else normal. This effect is perfect for pointing out details or adding a creative look to your edit. Let's get started. First, import your video into CapCut and tap on it in the timeline to select it. Now, head down to the Effects tab at the bottom and tap on Video Effects. Under the Motion category, search for Magnifying Glass and tap to apply it to your clip. Once it's applied, you'll see the effect layer sitting above your video. Tap on it again to open the adjustment options. Here you can fully customize how your magnifying glass looks and behaves. You can change the color of the circular border to match your theme or make it stand out. Next, adjust the size slider. This controls how big the magnified area appears. Then tweak the intensity slider to control how strongly it zooms in. Higher values make the magnified area look much closer. You can also use the vertical and horizontal sliders to move the magnified spot to the exact position you want on the screen. For example, to highlight someone's face, an object, or text, play around with these sliders until you get the perfect magnifying look. Once you're happy, play your clip to see the zoomed in section in action. It really makes your video pop, and that's it. You've just learned how to use the magnifying glass effect in CapCut Mobile to create a fun and professional looking zoom focus. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and creative CapCut tricks.